If you're a skincare beginner and you don't have a skincare routine put into place, then you need to get yourself this FWBEAUTY Skincare Essential Kit. If you're new to the brand, then this is a great way to give it a try. It's going to be your best friend if you're just starting out on your journey, especially if you have no idea where to start. The Saffron Cleansing Balm effortlessly takes off all the impurities and even waterproof makeup. This is an oil-based cleanser. This is also travel-friendly and requires no prep time beforehand. My favorite next step is a toner. It has a lock mechanism on the lid to ensure there is no spillage. It's also suitable for all, except if you have super high sensitivity, as it has a high percentage of saffron. This is amazing to hydrate and also to brighten your skin. Last but not least, your facial oil. There are 5 to choose from. You only need half to 1 pump for the entire face. This should be done twice a day. It's non-pore clogging and provides all the nutrients your skin needs to stay healthy, bouncy and vibrant. It's fast absorbing and sits so beautifully under makeup. This skincare essential is best go-to starter kit, which you can easily add to as you go on.